Hello guys, what is up? My name is Colin. This is Colin Talks Crypto. I just ordered a CryPTOTAG titanium plate kit, and I'm going to show you what it's all about and why I recommend that you get one, especially if you want peace of mind when securing your cryptocurrency. Thanks for joining me. All right guys, so I'm going to show you the device that just came in the mail. It's a very elegant kit. It's right here on the table next to me. So it was shipped from Europe. It was a couple hundred for this. I think it was like $250 US and about $100 more for this additional plates kit. And I'll just unbox this. So there's the plates. There's two of them in here. And I've already stamped those, so I'm not going to open those up. And right here we have the box for the actual CryPTOTAG. You can see the symbol on there. It says, before you get started, please visit cryptotag.io/tutorial. So I did that, and it's a really great video. And here's the kit. So you have the mallet, you've got the stamps, the CryPTOTAG 2 plates, a holder for the plates, 2 earplugs, there's a pair of matches to burn your old paper key when you're done, and a little guide rail so that you can put the stamps in very evenly. All right, so it's really, really simple. I actually just did this, so I'm gonna show you what to do. You pull off these little clips, you get 2 plates. Here's the raw bare plates, and as you can see, they have a bunch of squares, 24 words, so you can put your Trezor or your ledger keys on this, and there's the back side. And the thing that I like about this so much is that it's titanium. And it's able to withstand the temperatures of a standard fire or a house fire, for example. I had a cryptosteel before this, and the reason I'm upgrading is because of the increased temperature resiliency of titanium plates. And so I just want to make sure I have the absolute best security when it comes to my hardware wallet security. So obviously you could put any series of 24 words on this, but typically it's going to be for your Ledger Nano S or your Trezor wallets. Every hardware wallet has a piece of paper or a card, and you write down that series of 24 words when you generate it. Well, this is going to be your new paper backup of those seed words. That's all this is. So you have your hardware wallet, you continue using that as normal, and the purpose of this is to have a more robust and more secure backup copy of those seed words, because those seed words are your private key. And if you lose those seed words, you could have lost your funds for good. So that's the purpose of using this. So let me just demonstrate how quick this is. Okay, I'm gonna set it up. So you take the tray, put it here. I didn't bother using the earplugs, but that was nice of them to give it to me. Here's the mallet. It's quite heavy. It's got a lot of heft to it. And you take this out. You put in one of the trays, like that. And it recommends having a very sturdy table when you do this. And so I picked out a letter out of the tray of letters. I've got my guide rail here. I put it in place, and I use my mallet to strike it. And I've got the pressure down. You have to use quite a bit of force. Perfect. I'll do another one. So I move the rail, and I'm gonna hit it. Boom, there we go. I'll give you a demonstration. So that's what it looks like when you've got 2 letters stamped on there. So that's my review for the CryPTOTAG titanium wallet. I think this is a must for any hardware wallet owner. Yeah, it's expensive, but it's nowhere near the expense it's gonna be when you lose that crypto wallet. So secure your crypto. You would hate to lose it in a fire or something like that. If you have over $500 of crypto or over $1,000 of crypto, then you need one of these to make sure that you have proper security for your cryptocurrency. Now, when you're all done and you've got your tags all stamped completely, this would be for 2 ledgers. So you get enough for 2 ledgers when you buy the kit. And like I said at the beginning, you can buy the upgrade module, so you can get 2 more ledger support or 2 more Trezors with this one. And when you're done, you put the plates together like this, and it comes with these little metal clips, and you put the clips in, and that faces the words inwards, so that even if this gets into the most hot fire, the outsides are acting like a turtle shell protecting the insides, which has all the keys. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. Thanks for joining me. By the way, I was not sponsored whatsoever for this. I bought this with my own money, had it shipped to me. I was not given a free sample, and I was not paid to make this video. I am just telling you that this is what I'm doing, and I think that this is a really, really smart thing to do. Take care. Have a great day.